Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Shark corded upright vacuum cleaner, and as you can see it says there with lift away, and this is the pet model. At the time of recording you could pick this up from Amazon for £180. It normally retails for around £270. For the best price, check the first link in the description box below. I will also pin the link in the comment section as well if you want to pick this up. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and subscribe to watch more reviews. It's got some information there. Instruction booklet. Majority of this packaging is recyclable. It says accessory included. First thing, a dusting brush. If I push that, I could remove it. And that's an upholstery tool with 2 litter pickers. Just clips on. So it looks like from there. That's the pet tool. It says use in hard floor setting, because that will give you the maximum suction. 2 litter pickers there. That brush is soft. A crevice tool. I like the length on this. It's got some branding there. That's what it looks like from there. The handle, it has a slider there to control the suction, minimum, maximum. When you're on hard floor, you use it on maximum, and when you're on thick pile carpet, use it on minimum. So it looks like from there. That end would go into the main body of the cleaner. I'll show you that, of course. We're going to assemble it as well. I like the colour. That's the wand. It's got some branding there. That's a release button. That's for the cord when you're using the cleaner. Clip it at the back of there so you don't trip over it. Okay, the last thing is the cleaner. That's the 8-meter cord. A quick release cord hook here. The tools will fit there. If you look at the back, it's got some information there. It's letting us know it has a 750 watt motor. The head has an 80 watt motor. That pedal there, you put your foot on there, push that down, and the pod lifts off. That would light up green when it's working fine. If you get anything caught up, that will turn red. And once you've removed whatever's caught up, you need to turn the cleaner off and then on again, and then that will go green. Has some LED lights at the front there. At the bottom, 2 big wheels there. It's letting us know this has an 80 watt motor, a felt strip, 2 little wheels there. I'm just looking, no, you can't remove this gauge. If you get any hair caught up, there's these little grooves here. You'll have to just cut it through there. That's fairly stiff, that. At the top here, we have a button there for off, hard floor. On the hard floor setting, increase the suction to maximum suction on the handle. The brush bar will spin, but at a slow speed, so it won't scratch your floors. Then we've got carpet. When you're on thick pile carpet, reduce the suction from maximum to minimum. Wand release, but we don't have the wand in at the moment. You can see here it says dust cup release. So if you pinch these 2 grey tabs, there's one on each side, we can have access to the bin. A sticker there giving information regarding the filters. We'll look at the filters in a bit. That's the bin there. You have some branding there. To empty the bin, we push this button here. You could clean all that. Close that. We can access the shroud as well, because we will get hair caught up around there. Make sure you keep the shroud clean, and there's a seal around there. Keep that clean and wash the filters as directed. That will keep the cleaner working fine. You have 2 filters in there, a foam filter and a felt filter. Wash these once a month in cold water. Make sure they're completely dry and then put them back in. That's what it looks like from there. That's the motor in there. The felt filter goes in first and then the foam one on top. The bin just slots back into place. At the bottom here where it says lift away, we pull this cover off and we have access to the Hepa filter. To release the Hepa filter, we just push this tab here and that would come out. Shark recommend to wash this once a month, again in cold water, make sure it's completely dry, then put it back in. But the filters for this don't cost that much, so I would recommend picking up spare filters. Once this is completely dry, you just pop it back in. Before we start the assembly, I just wanted to point out the tools will fit at the end of the wand. You just put that there for above floor cleaning, or they would fit at the end of the handle as well. The first thing, we put the wand in and it would only go in one way. The Shark branding would go facing forward. Slots into place. Next, we get the handle and place it inside the wand. The last part of assembly, we need to put the hose inside there. Only 2 tools live on board. The pet tool, there's no room for that. So we're using the cleaner on hard floor first. I've put down some rice, some crackers and some cornflakes. I will be putting down the same 3 things on the carpet when we move over on the carpet. As instructed, the suction will be on maximum. Just take the bin off. Just to show you the bin, it's picked the rice up and the crackers and the smaller cornflakes. It's left the larger cornflake. I'll go over a few more passes and I'm sure it'll pick that up, and then we'll move over to the carpet. Now I'm using the cleaner on a deep pile carpet. I've put down the same things, rice, cornflakes and some crackers. As instructed by Shark, I will be selecting minimum suction. That's performed a lot better. It's only brought back one little cornflake. Apart from that, it's picked everything up. Just to show you the bin, it's even brought back some carpet fibres as well. At the time of recording, you could still pick this cleaner up for £180. For that price, I think it's a good cleaner. As you've seen, it picks up really well. The only concern I have, if you're elderly or if you've got any problems with your arms or hands, I wouldn't recommend this cleaner to you because it is hard to push on deep pile carpet. However, if you don't have any health conditions, then I would definitely recommend this cleaner. Plus you get Shark's 5-year guarantee with this. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.